Battle of Banna, 1942. 23 patron saints protecting Ilocos Norte. We fought fear with faith. We faced destruction with compassion. The Ilocano sons and daughters of Banna, with the grace of God Almighty, waving the Ilocano courage for our beloved country.
Tumagda kayo! Lumaban tayo ang inyakit patay! Sa nagtipan tayo, niili tayo! Lumaban tayo! Saan tayo ang maunang tinagtaban?
Timakter anakired, limaban anatured, ili anadyosan, ili ang may pagpangas, abiyag Banna, Ilocos, Pilipinas! They triumph in war, yet a new battle calls. How will a community rise from its walls? How will they move? How will they stand? How will they eat? How will they grow hand in hand?
Bago pa ang ulan bumuhos, ang buong bayan kumikilos. Tulong-tulong sa pagtaguyod, di patitinang sa pagsubok.
Kalpasan ti amin ang riga, timaod tinamnama, na tumakder, nga agtiyag, kag naikan manan, tiranyag.
Abuos, 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 biyaya'y bumubos dito sa Banna, dito sa Banna. May bagong kabanata na nagliliwanag.
They watched the weaver ants unite and saw their eggs as the gifts of light. They saw food, they saw salvation, they saw the ants as redemption. They hungered and sought, they found and shared. They ate and were filled, they loved and gave thanks to the Lord Almighty. Iba na dito sa Banna.
Iba na dito sa Banna, may bagong tadhana. Halina, bumarito ka, nang iyong makita ang bagong bihis, bagong gising, bagong paglalakbay. May pait, may sakit, bago makamit ang tagumpay.
From echoes of the past we rise, with festive hearts and hopeful eyes, to meet the present, strong and wise. Iba na dito sa Banna.
Ang kulturang Ilocano ay may sariling buhay. Nagbabago at umusad, nagliliwanag. Magkukulay na ilaw ng nanampak lahat. Pagkatapos ang pagsisikap ay ang pagsikat.
From wreck and fall to rise and soar, Banna begins to shine once more.
I'm in Ilocos Norte. I'm in Banna.
Our hearts beat with passion. Our body moves with the rhythm. Our soul shines for the nation. Banna is forever changing, and our light will forever be winning. Iba na dito sa Banna!